What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of these crates. Holy shit! I've so many. Like actually, I've like nearly a full bag of them. Look, I'll show you guys. Oh, not a full bag, but I have a lot. Okay. Well, let's start unboxing. Okay. No! Okay. Fuck! Okay, this is why you do not do things next to this, because if they drop down there... What? Wait a minute. Okay, well, I don't know how that fell down there. Okay, I have no idea how that fell into the ground. Oh, flashbang. Oh! That was flashbang. Oh my god, bro, I've not used a grappler in so long. Like, actually, I forgot what it was. Okay. Oh, cluster grenade, I'm pretty sure. Yeet. Oh, the skull flamethrower thing. Yeah! Shotgun ammo. Normal grenade. Oh, fuck! Wait, I'm in safe zone. 2 at a time. Oh! Flamethrower? I'm gonna burn the ammo. I've seen this like once. I think I've gotten it once. I don't really know, but this is sick. Flamethrower. Okay, let's do a little bit more. Oh, these are all nice ones. Revolver, nice. Grenade. RPG, W. Another flamethrower, pretty cool. Oh, a chaos axe. That's good. Let's use all of this stuff. Yeet! Is that all the ammo? We need to use our grenade. Let it go. Wait. What the fuck? Oh! What the fuck? There is no way it just came back to me. Okay, what? What? You can't get me. What? Okay, guys, that is crazy. It's like Thor's hammer. Wait, this is like a crazy weapon. Yeet. What the fuck? You can hardly walk in this. Okay, guys. I was gonna say that'll be the end of the video because we finished unboxing all of our stuff. I'm pretty sure. Yep. But I just want to test something real quick. You guys can leave the video. It's fine. But remember to drop a like and maybe subscribe if you want to. But also, oh, OG map. Yeah, I forgot. But can you chop down trees? Bro, they should make it so you can chop down trees. That'd be crazy. Like, actually, that'd be crazy. Wait, what if we just... Ha! Give me back my... Yo, Gat! Yeet! Oh, fuck. Wait, I forgot that they give you like meat. Hey, don't you even try, buddy. Oh, more unboxing, I guess. Yo. Wait, what was if we just do this? Oh, fuck! I did not know that happened. Okay, that's weird. Oh, is this what they call the Armstrong Cave? I was like not around when this was a thing. Holy, bro. Okay, I'm gonna turn down my volume a little bit. It's only Armstrong, so it's not like that bad. More unboxing, guys. Flashbang, so it can light my light. I don't have a revolver. Oh, the guppy! Labubu! 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 Run! 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 What the hell? Guys, that'll be the end of the video now. So... Wait, let me just see if we can drop down this. Yeah. Okay, guys, that'll be the end of the video now. Bye-bye!